Hey there, savvy savers! Welcome back to Money Does Matters channel, your go-to destination for all things money related. And today, I'm excited to share with you 10 mind hacks that I personally use to save more money, and trust me, they actually work. Let's start from number 1. Visualize your goals. Imagine this, you're sipping on a tropical drink, feeling the warm sun on your face, and taking in the breathtaking view of the ocean. That's your dream vacation, right there. But to make it a reality, you've got to envision it first. Close your eyes, let your mind wander to that sandy beach paradise, and let the excitement of achieving your goal fuel your savings journey. It's like giving your savings plan a turbo boost straight to vacation town. Continue to number 2. Automate your savings. Let's talk about the magic of automation, shall we? Picture this, every payday, like clockwork, a portion of your hard-earned cash disappears into your savings account, without you even lifting a finger. It's like having a silent savings partner who's always got your back. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account, sit back, and watch your savings grow without even breaking a sweat. Now that's what I call hands-free financial fitness. Next, we are gonna go to number 3. Track your spending. Alright, it's time to shine a spotlight on your spending habits. Think of it as a journey of self-discovery through the world of finances. Every coffee run, every movie ticket, every online shopping spree, it all adds up. By keeping tabs on your spending, you'll start to see where your hard-earned cash is really going. It's like taking a magnifying glass to your budget and uncovering hidden treasures of savings potential. Alright, this is number 4. Set up savings challenges. Who says saving money has to be a snooze fest? Let's inject some excitement into the mix with a savings challenge. Think of it like a friendly competition with yourself. Challenge yourself to a no-spend month, where you commit to only buying essentials. Or how about a pantry challenge, where you get creative with meals using only what's in your pantry? The possibilities are endless, and the rewards are oh so satisfying. Get ready to level up your savings game and have a blast doing it. Let's check number 5. Practice delayed gratification. Delayed gratification, the ultimate test of patience. Instead of giving in to every impulse buy that comes your way, why not flex your willpower muscles a bit? Give yourself a timeout before making any non-essential purchases, and ask yourself if it's something you truly need or just a passing fancy. It's like giving your brain a little workout and coming out stronger on the other side, with a fuller wallet to boot. Great, it is number 6. Use cash envelopes. Let's take a trip back in time to the era of cash envelopes, old school but oh so effective. Here's the scoop, allocate cash to different spending categories, like groceries, dining out, and entertainment, and only spend what's in each envelope. It's like giving yourself a spending limit and sticking to it with laser-like precision. Plus, there's something satisfyingly tangible about using cash that'll make you think twice before splurging. Cool! Please listen carefully for number 7. Practice gratitude. Alright, it's time to count our blessings. Practicing gratitude isn't just about warm fuzzy feelings, it's also a powerful money-saving tool. By focusing on what you have rather than what you lack, you'll cultivate a sense of contentment and abundance. And when you're content with what you have, the urge to splurge on unnecessary purchases fades away. It's like flipping a switch in your brain and embracing the joy of simplicity. Please note this. Number 8. Shop with a purpose. Say goodbye to aimless wandering through the aisles of your favorite stores. When it comes to shopping, have a game plan. Make a list of what you need before you hit the stores, stick to it like glue, and resist the temptation to browse or impulse buy. It's like giving yourself a roadmap to savings success and staying laser-focused on your financial goals. Okay, continue to number 9. Find cheaper alternatives. Let's talk about finding the best bang for your buck. Whether it's switching to a generic brand at the grocery store, canceling subscriptions you don't use, or finding free or low-cost entertainment options, there are countless ways to save without sacrificing your quality of life. It's like uncovering hidden gems in the treasure trove of consumerism and maximizing your savings potential. Can wait for the last one. Number 10. Celebrate your wins. Last but certainly not least, let's take a moment to celebrate every savings victory, big or small. Whether it's reaching a savings milestone, sticking to your budget for the month, or resisting the urge to make an impulse buy, each win deserves a round of applause. After all, saving money isn't always easy, and you deserve to pat yourself on the back for every step forward on your savings journey. And there you have it, 10 mind hacks to kick your savings into high gear and take control of your financial future. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified every time we upload a new video. And as always, drop a comment below letting me know which mind hack you're most excited to try or if you have any money-saving tips of your own to share. Until next time, keep hustling, keep saving, and remember, every penny counts. Bye for now.